I will explain to you point by point how to make banner. Just watch this video and you won't need another video. First I enter the Fixlab F link in video description. First you need to fix the image size. Select the channel banner. Click on the plus icon above. Then click on prompt gallery. Select this background. Everything I am using in this video will be given a link in the description box. Now take a shape as you can see in this video. For shape color, click on color, then select black. Lower the opacity a bit to your liking. Now you have to add the logo of your channel. I am adding the logo of my channel. After placing the logo, enter your channel name and anything else you want to write. I am write my way. After writing, I selected font and style according to my preference. You can see that in the video. Now I will add the social media of my channel. At the beginning, I am add the logo. Then I will give the link of this.